The Philippines will welcome tourists in 2 weeks, almost 2 years after shutting its borders due to the pandemic. Travelers will not have to quarantine, but there are conditions. Bernard reports.
Fully vaccinated foreign leisure travelers from over 100 visa-free countries and territories, including all of ASEAN's member states, will be allowed to enter the Philippines starting February 10. This move was regarded by the country's tourism minister as a boost to jobs restoration in the badly hit tourism sector. To recall, the share of tourism in the Philippines' GDP fell to 5.4% in 2020 compared to 12.8% a year before pre-pandemic. A similar policy was introduced but suspended late last year due to the spread of the highly transmissible Omicron variant. It was in mid-January when COVID-19 cases in the Philippines reached their peak on the same week that the country recorded its highest single-day tally of COVID-19 cases at more than 37,000 in just one day. Now, the visiting foreigners will be subject to the same monitoring requirements for fully vaccinated Filipinos arriving from abroad, including number 1, proof of vaccination, number 2, monitoring of symptoms for 7 days, and number 3, immediate reporting of any symptoms to the local government. The country is an archipelago that boasts of world-famous tourist spots, but varying movement restrictions are imposed in different areas based on transmission rates there. This latest move, revitalizing a key sector in the Philippine economy, comes after the Philippines announced that its GDP grew by 5.6% in 2021 compared to the contraction of 9.6% in 2020. Socioeconomic Planning Secretary Carl Kendrick Chua says that this signals that the country is primed to break out and that its economy is on a correct path to a resilient recovery. But the COVID-19 resilience rankings released by Bloomberg puts the Philippines at the bottom of 53 economies in terms of pandemic response. Juana Bernal, CNA, Manila.